Hello everyone, welcome to this LIPSYNCH video tutorial. Easy and free. Create an image, a video, and then just use this tool. You'll love it.
AI LIPSYNCH generator for free. Let's test it out. It's unlimited, so you will love it. So you can upload or choose an AI talking avatar. So you can choose the sample avatars, which I'm not going to do, but you have different ones. If you present in the news, if you are going to present a product. So you have different female and male. You can have a doctor if you want to. Then we need to input the text, upload the audio or record the audio. So I have uploaded a video, not a photo. So now let's record the audio, and you have to allow your mic, of course. So now you click on it. That's it. What do you think about my beautiful dress? It's vintage, 1950s like inspiration, but I love it. What do you think? You can also listen to my birds, but it's an additional feature. So now let's generate AI talking avatar. This isn't an easy video to lip sync, but it nailed it. What do you think about my beautiful dress? It's vintage, 1950s like inspiration, but I love it. What do you think? Now all you have to do is download it. Transfer video. That's it. So if you like the videos, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.